Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to see your saved passwords on Google Chrome. When working on a Windows PC, you visit the different websites and provide login credentials to prove your authenticated identity. Google Chrome browser prompts you to save the password. Once you save the password in the Google Chrome browser, you don't have to remember the password when reaccessing the same web page. The Chrome browser autofills the username/email address and password for you and automatically completes the sign-in field. If you want to view your saved password for any reason, for instance, you want to use sign-in credentials on other browsers on your PC, and you don't remember your username/email address and password. In such cases, you can view the saved passwords and usernames/email addresses in Google Chrome. There is no need to use a third-party tool to view stored passwords in the Google Chrome browser. There are a few ways to backup and restore saved passwords in the Google Chrome browser. If you only want to view the saved password and don't want to create a password file, this post will help you. This post will guide you with the steps that will allow you to view your saved passwords in Google Chrome. How to view and manage saved passwords on Google Chrome. To view and manage the saved passwords on the Google Chrome browser, first, open the Chrome browser. Then, click on the menu button next to the user icon and select Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. Next, select Autofill in the left side menu. And then click on the Passwords under the Autofill section. In the Saved Password section, you can see a list of websites, usernames, and passwords which are stored in your Chrome browser. Click the eye-like icon after the username. Chrome will prompt you to authenticate with a password, PIN, or fingerprint, whatever is applicable to your PC. After authenticating, you can view your saved password on your Chrome browser. If you want to remove any stored password from your Google Chrome browser, click on the three vertical dots and select the Remove option. Here, you can also copy or change the password for particular website login if you need it. That's it. Let me know how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel, Garup Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.